Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about the latest advancement in the treatments of coronaviruses. The World Health Organization is initiating a global mega trial of the four coronaviruses treatments which they term as solidarity test in the paper published on 22nd March 2019. Scientists have suggested dozens of existing compounds for testing, but World Health Organization is focusing on what it sees as the four most promising therapies, which they term as solidarity tests. The number one drug it includes is Remdesivir, an experimental antiviral compound, chloroquine, the malarial medication, hydroxychloroquine, a combination of two HIV drugs, lopinavir and ritonavir, and that plus interferon beta with same combination of lopinavir and ritonavir, an immune system messenger that can help cripple viruses. Some data on their use in COVID-19 patients have already emerged. The HIV combo failed in a small study in China, but World Health Organization believes a large trial with a greater variety of patients is warranted. Anna Maria says it will be important to get answers quickly to try to find out what works and what does not work. We think that randomized evidence is the best way to do that. Here are the treatments that Solidarity will test. Remdesivir. Researchers tested remdesivir last year during the Ebola outbreak in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, along with three other treatments. The enzyme it targets is similar in other viruses. In 2017, researchers at the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, showed in test tube and animal studies that the drug can inhibit the coronaviruses that causes SARS and MERS. The first COVID-19 patient diagnosed in the United was given remdesivir when his condition worsened. He improved the next day, according to a case reported in the New England Journal of Medicine. A Californian patient recovered as well. Such evidence from individual cases does not prove a drug is safe and effective. Still, from the drugs in the Solidarity trial, remdesivir has the best potential to be used in clinic, says Jing Shibu of Fudan University, who has long worked on coronavirus therapeutics. Jing particularly likes that high doses of the drug can likely be given without causing toxicities. Chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine. The World Health Organization Solidarity had originally decided to leave the DEW out of the trial at a meeting in Geneva on 13 March. They says it received significant attention in many countries, according to the report of WHO working group that looked into the drug's potential. The drugs work by decreasing the acidity in the endosomes, compartments inside cells that they use to ingest outside material, and that some viruses can copy to enter a cell. But the main entryway of SARS-CoV-2 is a different one, using its so-called spike protein to attach to a receptor on the surface of human cells. Studies in cell culture have suggested chloroquines have some activity against SARS-CoV-2, but that doses needed are usually high, and could cause serious toxicities. Chinese researcher who reported treating more than 100 patients with chloroquine touted its benefit in a letter in Bioscience, but the data underlying the claim have not been published. Researchers in France have published a study in which they treated 20 COVID-19 patients with hydroxychloroquine. They concluded that the drug significantly reduced viral load in nasal swabs. Ritonavir and lopinavir. This combination drug, brand name Kaletra, was approved in the United States in 2000 to treat HIV infections. Lopinavir inhibits the protease of HIV, an important enzyme that cleaves a long protein chain into peptides during the assembly of new viruses. Because lopinavir is quickly broken down in the human body by our proteases, It is given with low level of ritonavir, another protease inhibitor that lets lopinavir persist longer. It has shown efficiency in marmosets infected with the MERS virus and has also been tested in SARS and MERS patients, though results from those trials are ambiguous. First trial with COVID-19 was not encouraging. Doctors in Wuhan, China gave 199 patients 2 pills of lopinavir ritonavir twice a day plus standard care or standard care alone. There was no significant difference between the groups, they reported in NEGM on 15th March. L- Lopinavir and ritonavir and interferon beta. Solidarity will combine the two antivirals with interferon beta, a molecule involved in regulating inflammation in the body that has also shown an effect in marmosets infected with MERS. A combination of three drugs is now being tested in MERS patients in Saudi Arabia in the first randomized controlled trials for that disease. But the use of interferon beta on patients with severe COVID-19 might be risky. Harlot says if it is given late in the disease, it could only easily lead to worse tissue damage instead of helping patients. You can clearly see the diagram telling different drugs pathways. The World Health Organization clinical trials attempt to interfere with different steps in the coronavirus replication cycle. The first is chloroquine and hydroxychloroquine, next ritonavir and lopinavir pathway, and last is remdesivir pathway. For more videos, subscribe to Subject Expert and please like and share the video. Be safe, stay at home.